at the farmer's market. Good morning. Fresh strawberries just picked this morning. Only $3 a box.
Hi, these look amazing. Are they organic?
Yes, they are. No pesticides, just sunshine and care. Would you like to try one?
Sure. Wow, it's so sweet and juicy. Olivia, you've got to try this.
Oh, this is delicious. How much for 3 boxes? Normally $9, but I can give you all 3 for $8.
$8? That's great. What's the term for when you lower the price? A discount, right?
That's right. A discount means the seller reduces the price for you.
Got it. Thank you for the discount.
Can we pay by card? I'm afraid it's cash only. There's an ATM just over there if you need it.
I have cash. Here's $8.
Thank you so much. Do you want a bag for these?
Yes, please. Also, what's in season right now?
Apart from strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are really good. I have them here. Blueberries are $4 a box and raspberries are $5. What do you think, Sam?
Let's get a box of blueberries too. Can we still get a discount if we buy more?
How about $11 for everything?
Perfect.
At the coffee shop.
Mark, is that really you? Ben? Man, it's been ages. No way! This is insane! Oh, Tom! Hi, little one! What's going on today? Some kind of secret classmate magnet? More like fate telling us to get that reunion sorted. Reunion? Oh yeah, our 15-year reunion's coming up next Saturday. Yeah, 15 years already. I just got the message from Lana. Same here. Oh, I think I should go. Oh, come on, you have to. We need someone to remind us how rebellious you were. Me? Please. We all know Ben was the real troublemaker. Oh, right. Back then, he swapped my water bottle with vinegar. That was one time. Honestly, I'm curious to see who changed. Definitely. I want to see who's bold, who got rich, and who married who. I'll bring popcorn. This is going to be fun. By the way, are you bringing your wife and kid to the reunion? Of course. I need to get my little girl out of the house. Let her see the world a bit. True that. Lately, I keep hearing kids singing something like tongue, tongue, tongue all the time.
It's tongue, tongue, tongue sahur, sir.
Oh, wow. She's just as cheeky as you were, Tom. Guilty as charged.
A missing wallet at the supermarket. Kids, look at these fresh grapes. Don't they look delicious? They're so shiny and juicy. Can we get some, Mom?
And look, those tomatoes look like they came straight from a painting.
Mom, we should get some for Dad. He loves grapes. Good idea. Let's see how much for a basket of grapes and a bunch of those carrots. Please check me out.
That'll be $15.
Oh no, my wallet. It's missing. Did you leave it in the car?
Or maybe at the bakery stall we just visited. Don't worry, Mom. This happens a lot here. Why don't you check the backdrop counter? I can hold these for you.
Thank you. Kids, let's go back and check. Whew! Here it is.
You must have left it here while picking up Dad's call.
Yay! Now we can get the strawberries and carrots.
I was so worried we wouldn't get those funny-looking carrots.
What time is the next bus?
Excuse me, what time is the next bus?
Let me see. The schedule says it should be here in about 10 minutes.
10 minutes? I feel like we've been waiting forever.
I know. Buses are always late here. I wouldn't be surprised if it takes even longer.
True. I guess we're lucky it's not raining.
Yeah, that would make it even worse. Where are you heading, by the way?
Just going downtown to meet a friend for lunch. How about you?
Same. I have some shopping to do. Hopefully, we don't have to wait too much longer.
Fingers crossed.
At the hospital.
Good morning. What brings you here today? My stomach hurts. I think it's serious. Maybe something's really wrong inside. Let's not panic yet. What did you eat yesterday? A giant burrito, spicy chips, bubble tea, and half a cheesecake. That's quite a list. Maybe your stomach's just mad at how much you stuffed into it. But I Googled it. It said it could be something dangerous. I thought I was about to die. The internet loves drama. It's always better to ask your doctor first before worrying too much about what you read online. Your stomach might need to rest, and you're not resting in peace. All right, doctor. We'll send you for an ultrasound in a bit, so don't worry. I trust you. My life's in your hands now. Let's keep you alive and drama-free.
Visiting grandparents. Look who's here. Welcome, kids.
It's so good to see you both. How was your trip?
It was fine, Grandpa. We're glad to be here. Yeah, it's been a while. We missed you. We missed you too. Come in and make yourselves at home.
Are you hungry? We made your favorite cookies.
Chocolate chip? You're the best, Grandma. Can I have one now? Of course. Sit down first, and I'll bring you some cookies.
So, what have you two been up to lately?
School's been busy, but it's going well. I've been playing a lot of football. We had a big game last week.
That sounds exciting. Did you win?
Yes, we did. It was awesome. That's great. We're so proud of you. What about you two? How have you been?
We've been good, keeping busy with the garden and some new hobbies.
What kind of hobbies?
I've been learning to paint, and Grandma's trying her hand at knitting.
That sounds fun. Can we see what you've made? Of course. We'd love to show you. This visit is going to be so much fun.
We're glad you think so. Let's make the most of it.
Absolutely. We're happy to be here. We're happy you're here too. Now, let's enjoy those cookies.